Nestled amidst the rugged terrain of South Australia lies a natural wonder that captivates the imagination and stirs the soul: the mesmerizing pink salt lakes. These otherworldly landscapes, tinted by nature's palette, offer a surreal and unforgettable travel experience for those who dare to venture off the beaten path. The pink salt lakes of South Australia, including Lake MacDonnell and Lake Bumbunga, owe their striking hue to a unique combination of environmental factors. High salinity levels and the presence of algae and bacteria create the perfect conditions for the proliferation of vibrant pink hues, transforming these bodies of water into ethereal works of art. Visitors to these salt lakes are treated to a spectacle unlike any other. As the sun rises or sets on the horizon, the pink waters shimmer and dance, casting an enchanting glow that evokes a sense of wonder and awe. Photographers and nature enthusiasts alike flock to these remote destinations, eager to capture the beauty of this natural phenomenon. Beyond their captivating appearance, the pink salt lakes also hold cultural and ecological significance. Indigenous communities have long revered these sacred sites, viewing them as places of spiritual importance and connection to the land. Additionally, these unique ecosystems support a diverse array of wildlife, including migratory birds and aquatic species adapted to the harsh conditions. Exploring the pink salt lakes of South Australia is not just a visual feast, it's a journey of discovery and exploration, offering insight into the delicate balance of nature and the resilience of life in even the most extreme environments. Whether you're drawn to their surreal beauty, their cultural significance, or their ecological importance, a visit to these enchanting landscapes is sure to leave a lasting impression on all who are fortunate enough to experience them. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.